Hello, my dear countrymen, my fellow Nigerians, my great people of Nigeria. I greet you now. I greet you now royally, I greet you now majestically, and I greet you now Yorubali, Iboli, Awusali. Come, true matter, election don't come, election don't go. Now they compile result. But what you no understand be say, this election, it is not free and fair at all. They postpone election. How many hours to election they postpone election? As they postpone the election, they use that 1 week, take just arrange number. This election, now that 1 week where they take postpone, and now they take do this all this thing where they do so. Can you imagine? Play with show what get grand. They give them. Come on. See the people play so Mogalu get grand. They wait. So why are all these people so hungry for power? They do everything. See the killings for polling unit. Waiting they happen. This thing, all this government, all these APC people, see the way they even they let PDP, they know say they no get level. 1 week when they take your postpone that election, now they take settle down, do this election. They settle down, arrange all the numbers. Guys, some place you will go, you will vote yourself. How can some place they'll say the 50-something thousand vote, they no count them for this era. Now we see they do this manual this thing. See, wait till me go advise my country people. Listen, we don't see all the mago. We don't see how these people they hungry for power. They use our life till they play, they talk with our lives. If this country no get and right, see, I dey beg Nigeria, see, the next election, say if you no be electronic voting, more than no carry on say go vote. Me, get to say I go vote. These things, you just go there for your own risk and it doesn't count. So they go allow us, they go advise us, we could register. And meanwhile, they know say they go rig the election. Come on. Why all these criminals they use our life they play? It don't reach time when we say we catch these people, If we see them somewhere, like the way they do that Sarakina, anytime they go a play, they stone and they shout only. It don't reach time we will see all these people who know say they force themselves on us. We will start anyway see them we will just go to stone, they will call them thief. I don't see, okay, you won't enter power by all means. You will see enter the power, we will see no change in that country. We will see one change for that country. What did the country do now? See, do now the market people, now they keep people for election. For election, just because you see, now one person win. Those people, children, they don't carry gun, they don't carry cutlass, they don't go do that place. They don't fly their children out of the country. You dey kill yourself for person wey be say man, after you just enter there, e no go send you, go just call you 1 or 2 times, e don finish. Mook wise. They don rig this election. This election is not fair now. It's not. This election will not be genuine election. They rig this election well. They use that 1 week where they take, postpone the election, settle down, rig the election. See, all of them know their say. See the NEC man, they form. If they form like say, you don't know what they happen. They say state, all of them know wetin dey happen. Okay, Plateau State where they know say they no go win. They find the way they want to lobby that Plateau State now. Ah God, APC no say no win that Plateau State because that Plateau State, they na stronghold. They don't talk say they no like wetin dey happen. They kill it. They lobby. They do am the way they get the way they want do am. Maybe the thing and that Plateau State never see come. Moku know how far. If all this will get, God, my people, my advice to that country, the next election, if it's not electronic, if not be electronic, because now only electronic, now will make your vote count. After they should make sure that every polling unit is bulletproof with glass transparent bulletproof. They'll put electronic, machines for all those polling units. It not go hard then to do within 4 years. If Nigeria won't do something where they right, free and fair, that can't not go hard them do. They should build. This is just every state should build. They know the polling unit. They know all of them. They should go around and build bulletproof solid and then they go create about 150 meters away from that polling unit, police go to guide the entrance so that at least if people they talk they come, soldier go do front, they go all those talk where they say all these things can be done because of their own selfish interest. They don't want to do it because they know say they go lose. If really the way you take stand, if the voting count, these people go lose. They know say they go lose election. That's why they do it like this. Mago, they cancel election few hours to the election. This country, This country, now I know why some people in Nigeria. So now I see some people for diaspora, they say this country it don't die. Some people still believe on the country. Some people don't really give up for the country. They say this country don't die. See election be say, man, how can you see the young party where they see followers, they go to give them 400 and something. God, what's they happen to that country, Nigeria? Election come. If they take una almost 4-5 days to know who win election. Hey, for this time, for this century where we deal, now no election we say they go between as they do election within few hours the next day the result don't come outside. Now they take una a few days to announce a winner of election. Oh, Baba God. See, amen. This election, I go advise House of Assembly, the Senate, may they settle down, pass law where we say yes. The next election should be electronic. The next election, there's a way we can even vote with our own phone. With the people in the diaspora, we can vote with our phone. If you get PVC, there should always be a code on the PVC. That PVC where you see, so code there. If they even put electronic for all the booth, if you don't want to go to a polling unit, if you have an app, if you get app where you download, you can put your code. Immediately you touch Nigeria election, they'll get app opener. Immediately you touch who you want to vote for, you go send that immediately. You go see all the discourse. The thing go to read on that thing. That is how it should be done. If the old people know, they can make the electronic voting so simple. If the old people know, say they don't do good at smartphone, no wahala. The electronic voting they put for polling unit, people go read. It not be everybody. And it not go hard for somebody to go polling unit. If you don't say no, if you use phone vote, you go there. Your this thing there should be a scan. Just scan them. All the people you want vote for will come. Look for your party. Tick them. Say okay. Voting don't go for electronic board. People they watch and go to see all the people. It just be like stock market. As the number is coming in, you are seeing it. Why we not fit doing like that? So people will just suffer, carry this thing, go put it, they'll go kill them. See, if by the time we start to use apps, smartphone, they vote, or electronic, this thing, at least people won't go the phone, the electronic, the polling unit to go vote. It go reduce. All this kind of killing and talk, they not go see all the. If I did my house, I use my app to vote. I want to know what I vote for. A guy wanted to say, one guy said he won't vote for PDP. Those people say he must vote. They stop the guy. For the guy own free will, they stop and say he must vote for. Wait, you want to rob my own free will. Where we say that me get and you say me I must do what you do. They're not thief now. In short, Nigerians, these hungry people, where they do all these things, so they want enter power. They see enter power. The Nigeria will see believe on, will see be like that. CAAC, what we know say at least, even though we know say AAC lose, or Kisiboga, we go see some good numbers. They settle down, they write the number, they give them the number. They just settle down, they give them 200 something, they give them that number. If you watch AAC, that's what 200 something, now they see. Even the place where Ondo will get, they go give them 40, which level? Or they go give them 5. Then a place where we say, I go see what Edo never see come. I go see Edo. But my prayer be say, you see all these people, you see all these criminals, all of them, all of those who kick buckets. You see all these wicked people, as people they swear for them, all those people go to follow them, all of those who kick buckets. See all these bad leaders, all of those kick. They want to kick bucket. That we need a leader. We say, and if you say leader, we get strong. Man, we say if you enter, all these bad people, the kind of wicked they'll do them, not be so to jail them alive, now to bury them alive for what they don't do to Nigeria. For the suffer, they don't make masses suffer for Nigeria. They only chop. In short, I feel as a day and night, I feel I dey sick. I dey sick for my own country. I dey sick for them. I get sick. I dey sick because of my country. How can these people just they show you crow? The more you see, the more you look, the less you see. The more you look, the less you see. They do you jibri, like magic. See, my fellow Nigerians, my good people Nigerian, you see, what me go advise our lawmakers. May they settle down. Pass law, say, the next election when enter this country, it should be electronic. Because if not electronic, no matter how you see, say, they won't buy vote, now my house I go for vote. I want to buy my vote, I won't see them. So if I want to see how you tell the follow person, they enter polling unit to go to use electronic this the vote. You won't tell them what to do. At least they will get neutral people. We go to tell people, we go to tell say, these are the parties. See, when they use electronic voting and app they vote, the people go to go polling unit go reduce. All this killing, all this thuggery, they're not going to see and they do again now. I mean, when enter people has a carry gun, so you won't vote for. Does it make sense? Before you go there, you tell okay, I don't vote. Yeah? In short, I don't know what you are talking, but Baba God, this election, when we say they will bring number, the number not the tally. They'll say this. If you come calculator, the number not the tally at all. God, now go save that country, Nigeria. God. But it don't reach time. Say we don't need to pray anymore. We need to act. Our lawmakers, whether all those people, they need to settle down. As they settle down, they will make sure say they pass law. Say anybody we carry vote say won't go vote for the next election. Without if not be electronic, mona tia una vote kamana chowam. May they vote for themselves. Mona call electronic people. Mona a short and say I know they vote. Mona vote for myself. Because I know who already don't win. So what is the need of me going there to go risk my life? They will stab me. They will shoot. See guns. What you make me go to risk my life for there again now? Now go advise me and go register. Now we will get right. We'll see. We'll go show our right now. Now see what kind of stupid attitude is that? They swear for Nigeria. No wonder Eric thought say they don't use Nigeria point to buy Benz. Is it true? They don't use Nigeria point to buy Benz. I fear una. Show about now. See, man. In short, me I dey sick. I dey sick for these people. I swear, I dey sick. But still, God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.